There's something I'd like you to go with in this class today. These consonants, letters, and the vowel letters also make their own sounds when we talk about the English sounds. In writing, you write in letters, and in speaking, you speak in sounds. And that is why it is very important to know the sounds of these English letters. In the English letters, we have what is called the long sounds, and we have what is called the short sounds. And that applies strictly to the vowel sound, because vowel sound is very important in building our words. A word does not make meaning or sense without the vowel sound. So the vowel sound is very, very important in each word. The vowel sound blending with the consonant sound form meaningful words. In the vowel sounds, we have what is called the long sounds and the short sounds. The long sounds are what I mentioned previously to be the vowel sound of the English letters. That is A, E, I, O, and U. These are the long vowel sounds. From the long vowel sounds, we produce our short vowel sounds in short letters. Now, what are they? A, E, O, A. Good. Now, the consonant letters also have their own sounds. And what are their sounds? B, K, D, F, G, H, J, K, O, P, K, R, S, T, V, W, X, E, and Z. These are the sounds of the consonant letters. Outside these, we have generally what we call the English letter sounds. We have the English letter names, and we have the English letter sounds. I've given the English letter names in our previous video, and today I'm going to bring to you also the sounds of these English letters. And what are they? We have from A to Z. Now let's go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, E, J, K, O, O, P, K, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 26 sounds of the English letters. And it's based on these 8 sounds that we put together to form our words. And through these words, we build our sentences. The sentences are the English language we said we speak. Believe you've grabbed something today. If actually you've gained something tangible from today's class, kindly tap like. Do not forget to share to your loved ones out there, as they may benefit as you've actually gotten today. Do not hesitate from sharing to them. Thanks for being in our today's class. Thanks for being part of today's class. See you in our next video. Just stay tuned. Bye.